I know you've been going through some things. Usually, it's the same thing, hoping one day it'll be a new thing. But I'm here to let you know it'll be alright. Even if it seems like some things will never change. My advice to you is stay true to you. No matter the amount of headaches he put you through, never compromise your integrity for a fool. He'll get his. Trust me, we'll all get our just due. Until then, continue to smile, beautiful. Just know you're not alone. I'll always have your back, like the moon.